Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make a very easy breakfast recipe. Before that, please like, comment and share. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get all my new updates. Today's recipe is instant Rava Uthappam. In a bowl, add 1 cup of Rava or semolina, 3/4 cup of thick yogurt, salt to taste. Mix well and let it sit for around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I am adding water to this to bring it to a thick batter consistency. Here I am using a whisk so that there won't be any lumps in the batter. Now the batter is ready. It should not be too watery. It should be slightly thicker than the dosa batter. Heat the pan and add 1 ladle of batter to the dosa pan or tawa. You can add any toppings on the top. Here I am adding finely chopped onions, grated carrot, mint, coriander and curry leaves to that. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Close the lid and cook it on a medium heat. Yummy Uthappam is ready now. It's very easy to make. Do try this recipe and give me a valuable feedback. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get all my new updates. See you in my next video. Bye.